The destruction of the command post of the Russian army in Nova Kakhovka was officially confirmed. Around 10 o'clock, the armed forces of Ukraine hit the command post of the Russian army in the temporarily occupied Nova Kakhovka. This was reported by the Strategic Communications Department of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Russia has problems with grain exports after Ukrainian attacks on Russian ships in the Black Sea, writes Reuters, significantly began to grow the cost of transporting Russian wheat. Also, in recent days, the cost of ensuring ships going to Russian Black Sea ports, through which 70% of grain is exported from Russia, has increased, the publishing house reports. Reuters notes that risks in the Black Sea increase the cost of freight for Moscow and push it to cooperate with less reliable shipping operators. The Russian invaders made an attempt to sortie by boat on the Dnieper in the Kherson region, but they were in for an unpleasant surprise: an FPV drone. Violators were fined by the joint work of the soldiers of the 126th Brigade of Territorial Defense and Corps of the National Police. The boat was destroyed. The fate of the Russians is still unknown. They either burned or drowned. And this is the duel of the century: the US M142 Himars versus Soviet BM-27 Uragan. Who do you think will win? Ukrainian drone strikes a large group of Russian drone operators working from the Donetsk airport. Ukrainian BTR-4 Bucephalus crossing the river. Yet another big mushroom today. A Russian 152mm self-propelled gun 2 C-19 Pantsir-S detonated as a result of counter-battery fire. The crew evaporated with the explosion.
Вот нахожусь в самой гуще событий. 2 из 19, точнее, что осталось от нее.
Russia. Civil unrest in Makhachkala, capital of occupied Dagestan. People blocked the roads after not having electricity for 3 days.
Пускай приедут, мы подождем. Мы подождем вот здесь. Хватит издеваться. Хватит.
Это не
We are all over 45 years old, and we came to defend our motherland. But we have nothing to feed our family, no money to pay for utilities, and so on. A group of Russian mobilized complains about the lack of money they receive.
На фоне этого хочу обратиться ко всем неравнодушным гражданам России, к правительству, прокуратуре, президенту.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.